Welcome, I'm from ZTE Nubia Music, and today I will show you how we can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, swipe down from the top of the screen twice, which will show you a bunch of the toggles right here, and we are looking for the Do Not Disturb toggle. Now it might not be added by default, so in this case we're going to click right here on this pencil, and then you want to swipe down and you will find, there we go, Do Not Disturb mode right over here, at least for me. You want to hold it. The text right here, as you can see, changes, and you can now drag it over that text, drop it, and when you go back you should have access to the toggle that you have added, which for me is on the second page. Next, hold it again in here, and this will quickly take you to the settings. Here you can customize how the mode will function when enabled, as well as also set up a fully automatic schedule, so you can choose what day of the week and start at any time the mode will automatically run. Next, for people that want to use this mode manually, just find the toggle, simply tap on it to turn it on, and once you're done with it you can also tap on it again to turn it off. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.